Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about digital thermometer. Many people know like how to use it, but many people don't know how to use it. So this is a digital thermometer. It's from Dr. Morphin company. So you are seeing the end portion, right? Here sensor is presented, and this is called knob. Here you are seeing this is a digital screen, and this is the button for on and off. If you are pressing for long time, it will come to low. If it is coming to low, then you can put like under armpit or in the oral cavity, so to get a proper like temperature, but air gap should not be there. If you are using for personal use, you can put in your oral cavity under the tongue, but if you are using in hospital or from like public if you are getting temperature, you can hear this beep sound, then you can see your temperature, right? Here it is a low because I'm not using right now, so you can put under your armpit to measure the temperature. How much temperature? The normal temperature is near to 96.6 degree Fahrenheit. So you need to check your temperature is more than that, so you can check your body temperature and in home only, no need to go to hospital. If your temperature is more than 98 or 97, if you're not feeling well, definitely you need to consult with the doctor for the further treatment. But for checking temperature, you can check in your home only. So there is a proper use of this digital thermometer. So maybe this video is useful for you. So if you like such kind of video, you can subscribe our channel to get more content. Thank you so much.